Hello everybody. In this video I'm gonna talk about probability. What is probability? Probability is amount of uncertainty. What it means? It means I'm not 100% sure or I'm not sure at all how much I'm not sure. This how much we call it probability or how much I'm sure. This what we call it probability. As an example, let's say tomorrow there is a 75% chance of raining. What it means? It means it's gonna be rain, but not I'm not sure. Maybe rain, maybe not rain. But the value of certainty of raining is more than certainty of not raining because 75% is more than 50%, which is half and half. Okay, or let's say when we have I'm tossing a coin. A coin has two faces. One face is head, the other faces is tail, head or tail. And if I like to see tail at the up, okay, face up, tail be face up. So because it has two sides and I'm desiring that on one of two, so the probability is 50%. Okay, when I'm tossing a coin, it has only two event can happen, head or tail. It means if I want head, it's gonna be one out of two. Or let's say if I have three colors of marker, black, blue, and red, okay, and I'm not looking at the markers, I just want to take one of them without looking at them. So it's gonna be one out of three that I have red marker as an example. Okay, this is the meaning of probability. How we can calculate the probability? The probability is a number of favorable outcome to the total outcomes. By this formula, we can calculate the probability. Actually, the probability is calculating mostly by experiment. Okay, but this is the formula. As an example, when I am tossing a coin, what is the probability to have head face up? Okay, so the probability is face. I want to face, so one is my favorite to be head. How much is the total outcome? Is two. It can be head or tail. So the total outcome is two. But I want to see head, only one of the outcome. So the probability is one out of two, or if we convert this one to percent, it's gonna be 50%. Okay, this is the meaning of probability. Or let's say when I'm rolling a dice is a cube that has six faces. Okay, and in the dice is in each face in one of them is one dot, the other one is two dot, the other one is three dot, 4, 5, and 6 dot. Yeah, the other one is 4 dot and 5 dot and 6 dot. Okay, these are the different faces of a dice, or 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. When I'm rolling a dice, and let's say I want to know what's gonna be what is the probability that two face up. Okay, two dot or the number two be face up. So my outcome, my desirable outcome, my favorite outcome is one. Yeah, one event or one shape. Okay, how much is the total outcomes? Is 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So the probability is gonna be 1 out of 6. 1 out of 6. Okay, and if you want to convert it to percent, I should multiply by hundreds to convert it to percent. If I want to see how much percent is 100 divided by 6, divided by 6, which gonna be 16.7%. 7%. This is the how we calculate the probability. Is the number of favorable outcome to the total number of outcome. If I want to have only one type face up, as an example, I want to have 4. My desirable outcome, I want to see 4 face up. So I have only one desirable outcome. The total outcome is 6, so it's gonna be 1 out of 6. Now, let's say when I'm rolling a dice and my desirable favorite outcome is the face up be even number. Okay, even number, it can be 2, 4, or 6. Yeah, all of them are even. 2, 4, and 6. So how much is my desirable outcome? Favorable outcome is 3. Yeah, 3 shape or 3 event, I like it. I gonna like it when it's even. 2, 4, and 6. And how much is the total outcome? Is 6. And if we simplify this one, 3 over 6 is 1 out of 2, or 50%. It means when I'm rolling a dice and I want to have even number face up, is gonna be 50%. Okay? Now, the other thing is, let's say I'm rolling a dice. Let's use the coin. If I'm rolling one coin, how much is the possibility to have heads up? As I told you, it's gonna be 1 out of 2, or 50%. Now, if I'm rolling 2 coins, how much is the possibility to be both of them be head? I'm rolling 2 coins at the same time, or I'm rolling 1 coin twice. What is the possibility to first times be head and at the same time second times be head? Okay, or both faces be head. Okay, how much is my favorite outcome? 1 event, which is both head. How much is the total outcome? Calculating the total outcome in this case is gonna be 4. But I'm gonna show you a way that you can write the all possible outcomes. Okay. So let's say when we are rolling 1 coin 1 time, it's gonna be head or gonna be tail. This is for 1 coin. When I want to, this is for 1 coin. Okay. When we are rolling 2 coins, tossing 2 coins, okay, or 1 coin twice. So the possibility gonna be for 1 coin is here. Just repeat this one, head and tail. Just copy this one at the bottom. Now add 2 head and 2 tail. So this is the possibility for 2 coins, which gonna be first one be head and second one be head. Or first one be tail, second one be head. This is the other possibility. When I'm rolling the coin, the other possibility is first one be head and the second one be tail. Or the other possibility is both of them be tail. So how much is the possibility? 4 is the total outcomes. And if I want to be one of them be, both of them be head. So the possibility is gonna be 1 out of 4. Possibility is 1 out of 4, or 25%. If you multiply 1 out of 4 by 100, it's going to be 25%. It means when I'm rolling a dice and I want to have both head, the possibility is 1 out of 4. If I want to have both tail, again is 1 out of 4, which is going to be 25%. If I want to have first one tail, the second one head, so again is 1 out of 4. Now, if I want to have the possibility, if I want to calculate the possibility that both face be the same, both face up be the same, it means both can be head or both can be tail, because both of them are the same thing. Then what is the possibility? Both to be same, the favorite outcome is 2 and the total outcome is 4, which is gonna be 1 out of 2, or 50%. If I'm rolling 2 dice or 1 dice 2 times, the possibility that the face be the same is going to be 50%. What is the possibility that the face be different? Again, is 2 out of 4, which is 50%. Okay, this is for working with the coins. If we want to calculate 3 coins, this is the third part, the other type that we can have. If I want to toss 3 coins at the same time, or 1 coin 3 times, what are the total possibilities? We have for 2 coins, which is this part, this 4 situation. Just repeat this 4. I'm writing for 3 coins. Just repeat this 4, copy this 4. Okay, head, head, tail, head, head, tail, and tail, tail. Can you see this bottom, 4 bottom is a copy of this 4 top. Now add 4 head and 4 tail. So this is the possibility of 3 coins. That how many is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. Now, what is the possibility that all of them be head? Is 1 out of 8. What is the possibility that all of them be tail? Again, is 1 out of 8. What is the possibility that 2 of them be the same? What is the, when I'm flipping 3 coins at the same times, tossing 3 coins at the same time, or 1 coin 3 times, what is the possibility that both of them be the same? All 3 head or all 3 tail? Is 2 out of 8. Yeah, is 2 out of 8, because both head, all of them 3 head or 3 tail is 2, and the total is 8, or 1 over 4, which is 25%. What is the possibility that 2 of them be the same? If I want to see 2 of them be the same, what it means? It means this one is my favorite outcome because 2 of them are the same, even though the 3 it's match my desire. This one again is my possible outcome because 2 of them are the same. This one is possible outcome because 2 of them are the same. This one is possible outcome. This one is possible outcome. This one is possible. This one is possible, and this one is possible. It means the possibility is 8 out of 8, or 1, or 100%. 100% is, it means always happen. I'm sure that if I toss 3 coins at the same time, for sure 2 of them gonna be same. Okay, these are the different things that we can calculate. Sometimes the possibility gonna be 0. As an example, if I have 3 markers, one of them is red, one of them is black, and one of them is blue, and I put it inside the bag. Without looking at it, I put my hand inside the bag and take one of them. What is the possibility that one of them be green? What is the possibility that the markers that I'm taking out be green? The possibility is 0 because there is no green at all, right? So how many green do we have? 0 out of 3, which gonna be 0. Okay, so sometimes the possibility is 0. That is not possible to happen. Sometimes the possibility is gonna be 100%, which means 100% is up for sure is gonna be happen. Okay, this is all about possibility. This is the formula, number of favorable outcome over total outcome. We can calculate the probability. I talk about coin and I talk about dice. Okay, I hope you enjoy this video and see you in the next videos. Bye for now.